train at all times.
First American roller coaster.
Yay!
Let's go.
Nervous. Here we go.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
Woo.
Woo. I'm gonna do my girly scream on the way down.
Please,
Oh, I'm partying.
Here we go.
I'm parched. The nerves are getting to me. Nice and slow. I think there's a camera at the bottom that snaps a photo of you.
Like I said,
If you want to prepare for that.
Here's the camera. Woo!
What do you think of that? Oh, my mouth is dry now because I'm smiling the whole time.
It feels like you're gonna fall out.
Yeah. What do you think of that?
Okay.
I love that ride.
I haven't been on a roller coaster in ages. Don't forget your fun.
I was feeling smiling the whole time until all that weed got in my mouth and I was dry.
welcome back, riders. We hope you enjoyed. I will take on our It's quickly and carefully to your right. Thank you for riding Iron Gwazi and have fun during the rest of your day at Busch
Now you
Gardens.
can ride every ride here. That's the biggest one.
Okay.
Please step carefully but quickly into the seat that's directly in front of you. Once seated, secure the
I made it.